Meaning of hands-on.
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 Hands-on. The phrase hands-on typically refers to a practical, experiential approach to learning. It implies active participation and engagement in the subject matter, often involving physical manipulation or involvement. This type of learning can be particularly effective because it allows individuals to engage with the material in a more direct way, fostering deeper understanding and retention. In a professional context, being hands-on can indicate a willingness to tackle tasks directly and take initiative to get things done. Overall, hands-on is a term that emphasizes active engagement, practical experience, and a proactive approach to problem solving.